सम्पूर्ण विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई आजको यो जुम मिटिङ मार्फत म हार्दिक स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छु। हामी चाहिँ यो थ्योरी अफ प्रोडक्सन उत्पादनको सिद्धान्तको बारेमा चर्चा गर्न गइरहेका छौँ। थ्योरी अफ प्रोडक्सन उत्पादनको सिद्धान्त भन्नाले के बुझिन्छ भन्ने विषयवस्तु बारेमा हामी आज छलफल गर्न गइरहेका छौँ। The things which the producer use in the process of production are called inputs, and whatever they get out of their activities are called output. In case of production, there are mainly two things. One is inputs and another is outputs. Inputs means those things which are used in the process of production, and output means the final goods or products which are produced by using the inputs. The functional relationship of output with input is known as production function. The output is thus a function of inputs. Output determined by the combination of functional relationship of inputs. Symbolically, it can be written as production is the function of land, labor, capital, state of technology, and building. Or to be complete production process, we need the various items. We need the land, the natural factors, labor, the changeable factors, capital, and state of technology, as well as buildings for the process of production. Now, next, what is production? Production is the process of creating utility in goods and services, or process of transforming inputs into output. Production means it is the process of creating utility in some things. If we create utility in useless thing, that is called production. Production means it is the creation of utility. If we get utility in any type of goods and services, we can easily say it will have. It is the production. Our production is the process of creating utility in goods and services, or process of transforming inputs into output. If we use raw materials to produce final goods, it is called production. Production is the technological transformation of inputs into output. With the help of technology, we can change our raw materials into the final goods. It is called production. Then production function. What is production function? The functional relationship of output with the inputs is known as production function. The functional relationship of output with input is known as production function. Now, there are two types of production function. One is long run production function and another one is short run production function. Long run production function is the technical relationship between output and all inputs. Symbolically, we can say that production function is the quantity of outputs is equal to functional relationship between labor and capital in long run. In long run, there is the all factors of production are variable, where labor L and capital K are variable. In case of long run production function, all the inputs are variable. And in case of short run production function, the short run production function, also known as single variable production function, which shows the technical relationship between output and one variable factor, keeping other factors constant. In case of long run, all the inputs, all the factors of productions are variable, but in case of short run, there is only one variable factor, that is labor. And we can keep capital as a constant factor of production. So the short-run production function, also known as single variable production function, shows the technical relationship between output and one variable factor, keeping other factors constant. Symbolically, we can write it: quantity of output is equal to functional relation with labor and its fixed capital. And now how can we derive total product, average product, and marginal product? We can imagine here is a one imaginary table, and in first column we write here units of labor: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 7 units. There are the factors, which is variable factors, labor, changeable factor. And in the beginning, the total product of 0 level 0, and there isn't MP and AP. And in the beginning, there is 10 units output or total product by using 1 unit labor, and AP and MP all are same 10 10 10 equal. And if we use second units labor, in such case we will get 30 units total product, and in that time the average product is 15 and the marginal product is 20. Similarly, if we use the more number of labor, that gives the more number of output or more level of output. If we use 3 units of labor, in that time we get 60 total production and 20 average production, and again 30 marginal production. And in the same way, if we use again another units of labor, that is 4 units of labor, the total product will be 80 units, and the average product 20 units, and marginal product 20 units. Again, if we use the 5th units of labor, or in that time the total units or the total product becomes 90 units, and average product becomes 18 units, and the marginal products also becomes 10 units. In this table we can see here, in the beginning increasing of marginal product, and in certain place it will become maximum, and after becoming the maximum of marginal product, it is starting to decline. बिस्तारै बिस्तारै फेरि हामी घटेको अवस्था देख्छौँ. Now total product is the amount of total output produced by a given amount of factors, other factors held constant. In other words, TP refers to the number of units produced by both fixed and variable factors. Symbolically, total product of labor is equal to average product of labor multiplying by units of labor, where TP represents total product of labor, AP represents the average product of labor, and L represents the number of labor. We can get the total product by multiplying average product with units of labor, and we can derive the total product curve like this. Here are the TP. Here is the TP curve, which shows the derivation of TP by using the different combination which is given in the above table. And we can see here the total product up to up to the 90 total product, and this shows the total number, the highest number of uh, output is when we use fifth and sixth unit of labor, that is 90 units. So the shape of TP is inverse type of U, or the opposite type of U type. This is the TP curve, total product curve. Now, average product. Average product refers to the output per unit of an input. It is found by dividing the total product by the number of a factor used. The total output of a good divided by the total quantity of a factor or input used given an average product. Symbolically, average product of labor is equal to total product of labor divided by units of labor. Or if we divide the total product by the number of labor in that time, we can get average product, and we can derive average product curve like this. Derivation of average product curve. In y-axis here is average product, and along x-axis here is units of labor, and by the combination of these units of labor and average product, we can show the curve like the AP curve. And we can see here the different combination of AP. In the beginning, first units of labor gives here 10 units, and second unit gives 15 units, third unit gives 20, fourth unit gives 20, fifth unit gives again less level of average product. And if we use again and again, the units of labor also gives the less number of output. So with this type of curve shows in the beginning increasing level of product, and in certain time there is constant level of average product, and after using the all the amount of our raw materials and the all input, in certain time the decreasing returns will occurs and it will be declines. So average product means the total product divided by the units of labor. Then marginal product. Marginal product may be defined as the change in total product resulting from one additional unit of a factor. In other words, MP is the increase in total output of a good when an extra unit of a factor is used, keeping all functions constant. Symbolically, marginal product of labor is equal to change in total product of labor divided by change in units of labor, where marginal product of labor is MPL is equal to marginal product of labor, and TPL is equal to change in total product. So marginal product means the change in total product. If we get the more amount of product by adding one unit of factor, it is called marginal product. And the shape of marginal product curve is like this. Derivation of MP. in the beginning, very fast growing of marginal product, and in the certain point it will become maximum, and after reaching the maximum point again it starts to decline and it goes down up to negative. So this is the nature of marginal product curve. मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट सीमान्त उत्पादन वक्र भनेको चाहिँ सुरुमा चाहिँ तीव्र गतिमा चाहिँ यो बढेर जान्छ। सीमान्त उत्पादन सुरुवातका इनपुट्सहरूले चाहिँ तीव्र गतिमा चाहिँ सीमान्त उत्पादनलाई वृद्धि गर्छन् र एउटा निश्चित बिन्दुमा पुगिसके पछाडि सम्पूर्ण स्रोत साधनहरूको उपयोग भइसकेको अवस्था हुन्छ र स्रोत साधनहरूको अधिकतम उपयोग भइसके पछाडि भनेपछि अब फेरि क्रमशः के हुन थाल्छ त भन्दाखेरि सीमान्त उत्पादन घट्छ र एवं रीतले हामीले अझै युनिट्स अफ लेबर अर्थात् श्रमका इकाइहरू थप गर्दै गयौँ भने सीमान्त उत्पादन चाहिँ ऋणात्मक अवस्थासम्म पुग्न सक्छ। यो कुरालाई चाहिँ यो हाम्रो फिगरले देखाएको छ। यो सुरुवातीका चरणहरू 1, 2, 3 इकाइसम्मको यो श्रमको इकाइहरूले तीव्र वृद्धि गरेर 10, 20, 30 गरेर सीमान्त उत्पादन दिएको छ भने जब चौथो इकाइ हामीले प्रयोग गर्छौँ त्यहाँबाट अब फेरि के गरेको छ, घट्न थालेको छ। चौथोमा जाँदाखेरि फेरि 20, पाँचौँमा जाँदाखेरि 10, छैटौँमा जाँदाखेरि 0, सातौँमा जाँदाखेरि -10। यसरी चाहिँ सीमान्त उत्पादन भनेको चाहिँ एउटा सुरुवातीका चरणहरूमा चाहिँ यो तीव्र गतिले अगाडि बढिरहेको हुन्छ, तीव्र गतिमा अगाडि बढ्छ। एउटा निश्चित बिन्दुमा पुगिसकेपछि यो अबखेरि के हुन थाल्छ, घट्न थाल्छ। यो कुरा चाहिँ पहिलो इकाइको सीमान्त उत्पादन 10, दोस्रो इकाइको सीमान्त उत्पादन 20, तेस्रो इकाइको सीमान्त उत्पादन 30, चौथो इकाइको सीमान्त उत्पादन 20, पाँचौँ इकाइको सीमान्त उत्पादन 10, छैटौँ इकाइको सीमान्त उत्पादन 0 र सातौँ इकाइको सीमान्त उत्पादन यहाँ -10 देखाइएको छ। यसबाट हामी के प्रष्ट हुन सक्छौँ भने एउटा निश्चित बिन्दु पुगिसके पछाडि सीमान्त उत्पादनको अवस्था के हुन्छ त भन्दाखेरि घट्दो दरमा जान्छ र एवं क्रमले यदि हामीले वस्तुहरू प्रयोग गर्दै जान्छौँ, इनपुट्स लेबरको मात्रा बढाउँदै गयौँ भने हामीले चाहिँ ऋणात्मक उत्पादन अथवा उत्पादनमा कमीको समेत सामना गर्नुपर्ने अवस्था सिर्जना हुन्छ। नाउ लिस्ट अफ फर्मुला। अब हामीले यो सीमान्त उत्पादन, औसत उत्पादन र कुल उत्पादन कसरी प्राप्त गर्न सक्छौँ भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ यो फर्मुलाबाट पनि हामी हेर्न सक्छौँ। टोटल प्रोडक्ट टिपी इजिकल टु सम अफ मार्जिनल प्रोडक्ट। सीमान्त उत्पादनका प्रत्येक इकाइहरूलाई जोड्यौँ भने हामीले के गर्न सक्छौँ, कुल उत्पादन प्राप्त गर्न सक्छौँ। प्रत्येक सीमान्त उत्पादनहरूका योगफल भनेको चाहिँ कुल उत्पादन हो। अर्थात् टोटल प्रोडक्ट इज द सम अफ all marginal product. In the same way, total product is equal to average product multiplied by units of labor. If average product is multiplied by the number of labor, it also gives the result of total product. And another, AP is equal to TP divided by L, where AP represent the average product of labor and L represent the number of labor. And in case of finding MP, MP is equal to TP2 minus TP1. Or if we subtract the previous total product from the new total product, in that time we can get the marginal product. In production theory, we must remember that there are mainly three types of product. Total product. Total product is the sum of marginal product, or total product is the average product multiplying by the units of labor. And In case of average product is the total product divided by units of labor. And marginal product means the marginal product is that which can be obtained by subtracting the previous total product by new total product. That means TP2 minus TP1 is equal to MP. We must remember this. And thank you very much for looking this our class, and we can again come by another topic in new day. Have a nice day. Thank you.